channel, and today we are going to be making some slime. But first, subscribe, comment down below, and give a huge thumbs up. So here are the ingredients. So first we need a bowl, and we also need a spoon to stir it. And we have this color changing glue. It goes to blue to purple. And then we have this magical liquid. And we have some glitter.
That's a lot of glitter.
Yeah, and last but not least, we use peppermint for the smell.
Okay.
So first I put this in.
No, you do this one first, I think. No.
We know what
It said over
we
there.
know what we're doing.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know what I'm
Two tips.
You can help. I don't have to put your face in there.
I think she knows what
Do I
she's
put
doing.
all of it in?
Yes,
Sure.
I said put all of it in.
Whoa. Look at this.
That sounds like jelly. Can you help?
Big sister is the rescue.
To the rescue! Nana.
It smells like glue.
It smells like someone.
Glue. No.
No, it's just glue. I touched
Okay,
it.
that's good enough, I think.
Glue.
No, you need all of it.
Is there any more in there?
Yeah, it's like right here.
Okay.
I think that's it.
That's good.
Okay, now what do I do? I don't know because I never make slime before.
I thought you guys started with that one.
Yeah, but like...
You gotta talk loud. I cannot hear.
Okay, so do I put this in?
Okay, you put a little. You put this. Give me.
Little by little, I think.
2 teaspoons.
Yay!
Or you add the glitter first. No, you add the glitter first.
You add the glitter
Add the
first.
glitter first.
Mom, Jess, can you... I'm gonna add blue glitter.
Why blue glitter? That's blue already.
It doesn't matter, Mom. She does what she wants.
Okay.
Don't drop the container in there. Julie, just pour it in. Why are you so...
Did you pour the whole thing?
No, she's...
I said, do you pour the whole thing?
Yes.
I see. Okay.
Why are you so shy, Joey?
I don't know.
Put in the ones that you want first.
I'll do the pink.
Ooh, it's shiny already.
That's what glitter is, Mom. It's shiny.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to see glitter for the rest
Can
of
you
the
help her open it? Use the scissor instead
Yeah.
to make it faster, right?
Ooh, it looks so pretty.
Looks so pretty.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like the water.
Looks like a water.
Yeah. I think if I put the pink in, it'll be flamingos.
Flamingo.
Yeah. I'm so excited.
Okay.
Actually, I think I know a better way.
Are you having a hard time opening it?
No. Just
Okay.
don't drop it on the counter.
All of it?
Okay, let's
Yes,
see.
all of it.
Whoa, so
Whoa.
Pink flamingos.
Okay, next.
Okay, I want to do the silver.
Okay.
Ooh, the silver should be silverfish.
Yeah, these are
Minecraft.
stars. See, they're stars.
Stars.
That's so cute.
Stars, bright starlight.
Okay, Mom.
Can you hurry up, please?
Mom, some videos could be like 1 hour.
I don't want to stay here for 1 hour. There you go.
It's raining tacos. I want to do this red.
Okay,
You sure?
next.
No.
You have red already.
Purple.
And then
What do you
that's
mean?
it.
Mom, this is pink, not red.
It's okay. Just cut it off.
Okay,
Cut it
don't
off.
let me when there's glitter in your food.
Whoa!
Looks so dark and... I like it. It looks like galaxy.
Galaxy.
I think that's good.
That's good.
We'll see.
What about the white one?
So you mix it.
Okay.
This is gold, Mom. What, you want gold, Joey?
Okay, after that, what do you put in it?
What's wrong?
No, nothing.
Why'd you say, aw?
Don't forget this.
Okay, maybe we should put all of it in. You think so?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't think the red would go well with it though.
That's too bad.
Hmm.
It looks slimy. Oh,
That's a pretty color.
really bright though.
Okay, that's it. You help?
No.
Whoa.
This is my first.
I don't see the red color though.
There is no red.
Oh. That was just pink?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You want to add the red? I mean, why not? I mean, yeah.
Sure, you can add that. Julie.
It's okay. You won't see it, right? Ready?
Okay.
Wow.
Look at that red color.
It looks like a demon.
Demon.
Yeah.
Or just red.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
It's shiny.
Very reddish. I wish I could like add some more color to it.
Well, that's all the
That's good
glitter
enough.
I have, Julie.
That's good enough.
No, like put some dye.
Julie, it already changed from blue to purple. Okay. So we're gonna add this.
So you add that. You guys, the good thing about this is non-toxic and washable and safe for children. So there are a lot of slime
Sticky.
ingredients that are toxic because they're cheaper. But this,
Shaving cream
yeah,
plastic.
the cheaper you get, it's toxic. So this is not
I
toxic.
actually can't wait to
This is
film.
washable too.
I actually can't wait to film the fashion show.
Okay. Yeah?
Yeah.
You wanna do a fashion show too?
Yeah.
Okay. It's over there, honey. It's right there. Right there. Find it.
Look how beautiful
Right
the
there.
slime is. Wow.
So you're adding this Elmer's. What is it? How many tablespoons is that?
Just one.
Just 1 tablespoon you add?
Yeah, for now.
then I
There's
said-
1 tablespoon of magical liquid. You add little by little, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, it's turning into slime.
Just, is
Keep
it,
on stirring. Keep on stirring, Julie.
tablespoon is full. Is it thicker?
Yeah, it's getting really thick. It's turning into slime.
The whole thing, honey. I thought it said 2 tablespoons. Okay.
Oh, it's getting into slime really good.
Yay.
So much water.
That's not water.
What is it? It's magical.
Yeah, it's magical.
It's a magical, you call it magical liquid.
How's it magical?
Mhm.
Wow. I really want to.
It's not thick yet.
Okay, yeah. Julie, why are you going around it? Going around slime.
one day we should make butter slime.
Okay. You have to mix it in the middle too, honey. Not just
she's in it.
Okay.
What else?
Ooh.
Oh, it's turning into slime.
Yeah, that's the point.
It's a long process, isn't it?
Yeah, it hurts my hand.
It's just like cooking, Joy.
It's
Can I
like
touch
cooking.
You
It's not
sure?
ready. It's
It's
not
so
ready
sticky.
to touch.
Man, it's not sticky.
Keep going.
It smells like the pool.
I mean, it is glue, Joey.
Okay.
Joey.
So this is ready to touch?
You just need to wash your hand, that's all.
No, I think you need a little bit more, honey.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah, I think you need a little bit more.
Take it, Joey.
Don't put it on the table now.
Don't put it back in there.
Oh.
You need a little bit more. Put it down. You have to put it down. I need a little bit more. Yeah, hold on to that one, Jess.
I can't.
It doesn't matter. Go. Hold. There you...
No, you have to pour it.
Look at this. Oh no. Oh, no.
Okay. So how much for that? There are 3 tablespoons you put in the
Joey, what are you
magical-
doing? Why are you putting it in my hand? I told you to.
I'm trying to grab it.
Go down. Put it down.
Put it down, Joey.
Put it down.
Joey,
Which one? This one?
Okay. Get some of this out here too. Look, down the bowl.
I know.
Wow.
Joey, not you.
Are you cleaning from the
Yeah, we're cleaning.
from your slime?
Yes.
Oh, you forgot to put this peppermint to make it.
Oh, whatever.
Okay, put it.
No, we're gonna put
Put
it.
it
I know.
drop.
Julie, I said stop. Oh my gosh. Why are you grabbing it from the bowl?
It's okay. You open it up and put the peppermint to
Why
make it
me?
smells
I'm the one who's doing this.
good. Open it, Julie.
Yeah, Julie, open it.
I can't.
Yeah, that's why I said calm down.
Let's put that peppermint to make it smells good. The good thing about that is the peppermint is non-toxic also, and it smells like peppermint you can eat. Wow.
Yeah, because you can eat the peppermint.
Of course.
Julie, stop taking it. I'm supposed to do that.
So it is the safest way to play for your kids. The non-toxic magical liquid, Elmer's magical liquid in
Slimy.
in your finger, and the color changing is non-toxic as well. So
How is it changing to blue to purple?
You have to put it in sunlight.
yeah, look at this.
Ah,
What are you doing, Jolie?
I'm grabbing it.
No, just leave it.
No, you can do that. Just go pull it out and
Yeah, that's why I told her to leave it.
Oh. It's okay. Leave it alone.
Do you think we should put more of this, or that's it?
Why is it still loose?
I mean, it's a little bit sticky.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Need a little bit more. Okay.
A tiny bit.
Okay. Put it down.
Well, I can't because Jolie's in the
Julie.
way.
Julie.
Julie,
He's gonna
calm
put more.
down.
Okay.
Julie,
Ready?
oh my god.
Give some to.
Joe.
It's a long. Smells good.
Oh, it's so sad.
Not really.
Smells like peppermint.
Really strong though.
Can you build a house with that?
No.
Can you build a...
Oh, if we I saw people they're making slime, and I heard that if you make a bunch of slime and you could put it all together and it makes a certain color.
Oh.
We should do that.
I thought this is
Julie, why are you
changing.
putting it? In sunlight.
Oh, so you have to go in sunlight.
No.
So this is the blue. Oh, give one to Julie. That's only little.
You can't have all the slime to yourself.
Guys, stretch it out, Julie.
By the way,
Look at me. Whoa, that's a long one.
Oh.
Hey, not in the hair, Josh.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, it's not really sticky anymore.
Okay, then you have to go to put it in the sunlight.
Jiggle,
Do we have
jiggle.
sunlight? Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Okay,
Go.
we're done.
We're done?
Yeah, we're done.
What
That's it.
about
Okay.
the sunlight?
No, we'll do that later.
Okay, put it down so I can see. Put it down. Put it down. So are you going to put that in the sunlight to
Yep.
turn into purple?
No, later.
Why later?
We're not outside, are we?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, later.
You guys not done playing with it?
No.
I thought we were going to put that in the sun. When are we going to put that in the sun?
Oh my.
All right, this girl's having fun. I think they have to put it in. You have to put outside to turn into purple.
Yeah, but
Yeah?
it doesn't look like. I don't know if it's sun.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. Right? It smells. It smells like peppermint. That you like. You can eat it.
No, you should not.
No, I know. You should not eat it. Okay, I'm just kidding. The smell. Ooh. Let me see your face with that.
Hey!
Yes.
I'm trying to make a bubble. I can't wait to show Dad.
Can you just put that together and see how big it is? Ooh.
Making fart noise or something?
Okay. How fun. How ease.
Oh, ease.
How ease.
Stop. Hey!
No, she said put it together.
Yeah, but I want to choose. Not just you, it's my son.
Yeah, but I gave you the materials.
You didn't buy them.
You wouldn't have glitter.
Okay.
And that, right? You're gonna drop it. Joel, you're gonna drop it.
No, I know.
Blue turning purple. Purple now?
Yeah, see, look. It's
Oh
blue
yeah,
right
the
here,
blue, it's turning
and then it's turning
purple. How amazing is that? Magical, huh? Magical slime. Magical liquid slime. Just a slime.
How do they make it like this?
See, the chemical.
Ooh. Wow, that's very long.
Oh! Well, why did you do that?
It's okay.
Oh no, it's a mess.